Practice problem 3. Oh, we've got one of those fractions. That's okay. We're going to follow our steps. We're going to draw the wall. We're going to circle all of this, the variable, with its coefficient. We're going to get rid of what's on the outside of the circle, which is the -7, by doing the opposite. +7, +7. These go away. I'm left with a negative 1x over 2 equals 18. My fraction is -1/2, okay? Since it's a fraction, I'm going to multiply by the reciprocal. So I'm going to flip it, 2 over 1, it's negative. On the other side, I'm going to multiply. You can still make it -2 over 1 if you want, but you don't really need the ones. These cancel out to be a positive 1x, because negative times negative is positive. And then 18 times -2 is -36. Final answer. Second slide. What was the first step to add? The first step was to add 7 to both sides. Complete sentence. Getting ready for that exit ticket. And that's all. Move on to practice problem 4.